Now let's solve the Natas level 7. First, let's log in to the level 7 with the username Natas7 and the password found by solving the level 6. After the login, we can see that the page has two buttons. Let's go to the home page first. The home page does not have anything useful for us. Let's go to the about page. This again does not have anything useful for us. Let's go back to our old approach of checking the source code of the page. On opening the source code, we can see that everything looks normal over here, and here we can see that the page identifies what we are trying to access by this page equals to expression. So if we enter page equals to home, it takes us to the home page. If we enter page equal to about, it takes us to the about page. And as we can see here, it does not have any check for which page we are trying to access. So this is a kind of vulnerability that we can access any directory which we want on this page. And here is a hint for us that the password for Natas 8 is present on this page. So let's try and access this page by entering page equals to this expression. As you can see, I have pasted the expression over here. Now, this is the password for Natas level 8.